Hello, my fellow subscribers, my technical and non-technical brothers and sisters, my viewers, and the audience at large. Once again, thank you very much for viewing my content and liking my content. This is a hobby, trust me. I'm not getting paid. My channel has not monetized yet. I'm just having fun. For that, to pay my bills, I got me a full-time job. This is just a hobby. Looking at the tools, looking the ways of troubleshooting, understanding troubleshooting, a mindset that is required. I'm going to share the second part of this book. I'm not going to go through the whole book. I'm just going to cover the meat and gravy. Remember, right tools for right job by Noor Ali. So it's the meat and gravy, bolts and nuts we call it, right? We hit it right to the point because we don't want to waste time. If you already put in like 30 years, 25 years, 20 years, 10 years, 15 years in the field, you just want to refresh. You just want to take a look at it. As I said, as long as your foundation is good, you have a common sense, you know how to use your tools, then you can reverb, go back, roll back, refresh. All kinds of words, right? Refresh, roll back, and understand the difference between old tools versus the new tools. So the book that I'm using got old tools. It's irrelevant, right? But what's important is same tools in a new way. Everybody uses it. If you call it Spectrum, you call what is that? Another cable provider over here, Frontier, or any cable provider, they will bring these kind of tools with them if they're going to connect your large screen TV, your cable box, your Wi-Fi, or your any kind of device that has signals, video, audio signals. All right, so there we go. So here is an old tool. This is called digital capacitor analyzer. Now, if you are a bench tech, you're a field tech, especially bench and depot technician use that a lot. Except are still used today. They are known as block diagrams, okay? Block diagrams, they're known as flowcharts, and they're used for all kinds of troubleshooting. Hardware, software, coding, scripting, network maps, all kinds of troubleshooting. So this is a foundation. I'm not going to teach you, but I'm going to share it with you. That's what I'm doing right now. So your foundation has to be strong. Otherwise, you're going to have a hard time troubleshooting any kind of device, any kind of equipment. Flyback used to be an old term. Analog TVs used to have a flyback in there, so that's what they used. We don't have flybacks anymore. Old is gold. Now, back in the old days, they used to use equipment like this to align the TV. Now, we may have something like that today, but it could be a digital format. Something almost like a laptop, something almost like a cell phone. Maybe there's an app for it. Who knows? Well, this one is called a field strength meter. I think they still have it. I think Spectrum or Verizon or any of these ISP or cable providers, they bring that with them when they install your cables and they test that. Well, coaxial is still using today, so you gotta know your coaxial. You gotta know your cable characteristics. You gotta know this. They're still in use. It's not old. Still in use today. Coaxial are still in use today. Well, these are old tools or devices. We may have them today, but they will be in a digital format today. These are analog, so you have to know your analog versus digital, okay? I believe these are still available today. If you're in audio video, you're doing a lot of installation, or you're in sound technology or stage technology business, you will meet these kind of equipment, meet this kind of devices more often than normal people, and you have to know these. If you are in any kind of installation, if you are in like audio video, you're taking care of campuses, you will come across this. Like conference rooms, some old ones, yeah, but the new ones are all Zoom related nowadays. This is still in use. This is still in use. This chart is very good to know, very good to understand. And it is an example. You have to know two-way splitter, three-way, four-way. You might find these across technologies, vertical, horizontal, and they may be in use. It's good to know. So key points to be in here, if you're in a service business, or are you a technician, you are a independent contractor, consultant, you need to follow this 5 advices right here, and then the next one is right here. Be professional at times. Professionalism will count, and this is going to take you long ways. So one more time right here, 1 through 5. I'm not going to read out loud. You guys can figure it out. And 1 to 13. Now, if you are a technician or a self-service provider, you got to follow this. That's how you lose customers, 1 to 5. And then, best way to lose a customer. If you are in a service business, brothers and sisters out there, please follow these advice and make sure that you gain your customers. That's the key, and that's the goal. So once again, I would like to thank all my subscribers, viewers, and audience, all my technical and non-technical brothers and sisters out there who are viewing and watching my content. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Today is Friday, and the weekend is coming, so have a great Friday, have a great weekend. Till the next content that I upload, who knows what's going to be now. Once again, thank you very much. Till later. Bye, y'all.